Intro of darkness and redness and whiteness. Hey guys, Mumbo Jumbo here. I did a little thing and today I am going to do interview with my pet dog. So, how do you like your life?
I love my life. I love it. I love this story.
Well, you better stay here, okay? What do you like to do?
I like to play fetch with you.
Yes, I know you like to play fetch. What do you like even more than fetch?
I like the yawn.
Oh, this is even pretty. So, this is my dog. He's very cute. He's like, baby. I'm recording my iPod again. That was interview with my dog. Also known as interview with Wally. His name's Wally. Goodbye. Outro of darkness. Wait, no. Didn't work. No. Intro. Outro of darkness and redness and whiteness. Goodbye.